Living in Anthem, Arizona, means enjoying year-round sunshine, scenic desert views, and warm weather, but it also means dealing with extreme temperatures and dry conditions. While most homeowners think about their air conditioning or insulation when it comes to indoor comfort, one crucial element is often overlooked: your doors. Over time, doors can warp, crack, or lose their seal, allowing heat, dust, and drafts to creep inside. If you've noticed uneven temperatures or higher energy bills, it may be time to consider a door replacement. Upgrading your entry or patio doors can dramatically improve your home's comfort, efficiency, and overall living experience. Here's how new, professionally installed doors make a real difference in Anthem residences. Better insulation for year-round comfort. Anthem's desert climate is known for its hot, dry summers and cooler evenings. Older doors, especially wooden ones, tend to expand and contract with temperature changes, leaving small gaps around the frame. These gaps let hot air in during the summer and allow cool air to escape, making your HVAC system work overtime. Modern replacement doors feature insulated cores, weather stripping, and energy-efficient materials like fiberglass or steel. These features create a tight seal that keeps indoor temperatures stable, reducing the strain on your cooling system and maintaining consistent comfort throughout the home. The result? A home that stays cooler in July, warmer in January, and far more energy efficient every month of the year. Blocking dust and outdoor air infiltration. If you live in Anthem, you're familiar with desert dust and wind. Over time, older or poorly fitted doors can allow fine dust particles to enter through small cracks or worn seals. Not only does this affect indoor air quality, but it also leads to more frequent cleaning and aggravates allergies. New doors come with advanced sealing systems and tight compression weather stripping that minimize air infiltration. By keeping dust, pollen, and outside air where they belong, door replacement helps you enjoy cleaner indoor air and a fresher living space. Noise reduction. For a quieter home, comfort isn't just about temperature, it's also about peace and quiet. If your current doors are thin, hollow, or poorly sealed, you might be hearing more noise from neighbors, traffic, or outdoor activity than you'd like. Modern replacement doors are designed with dense, insulated cores and precision-fit frames that block sound transmission. Whether you're working from home, relaxing in the living room, or getting a good night's sleep, you'll notice a calmer, quieter environment that adds to your overall comfort. Enhanced energy efficiency and lower bills. Anthem homeowners know how high summer cooling costs can climb. Replacing outdated doors with energy-efficient models can significantly reduce your energy consumption. New doors are often built with low-E glass inserts, insulated cores, and multi-layer weather seals that prevent heat transfer. By keeping the cool air inside, your HVAC system doesn't need to run as long, leading to lower monthly utility bills and less wear on your system over time. It's a simple upgrade that pays off in both immediate savings and long-term value. Improved aesthetics and home value. A new door doesn't just make your home more comfortable, it enhances its appearance and value. Replacing an outdated entry or patio door instantly refreshes your curb appeal, while also improving your home's functionality. With modern styles available in fiberglass, steel, and composite finishes, you can find a door that matches Anthem's contemporary desert architecture while offering superior performance. Potential buyers notice the difference, too. Homes with new, energy-efficient doors are more attractive and often command higher resale values. Professional installation makes all the difference. Even the best replacement door won't perform properly if it's not installed correctly. Professional installers ensure a perfect fit, proper insulation, and alignment that guarantees maximum energy efficiency and long-term durability. Local Anthem door experts also understand the area's climate challenges, from intense heat to monsoon season moisture, and use materials and techniques designed to handle it all. Elevate comfort and efficiency with door replacement. Replacing your doors might seem like a small change, but it can have a big impact on your home's comfort, efficiency, and appearance. For Anthem homeowners, modern energy-efficient doors help regulate temperature, block noise, and protect against dust, all while adding style and increasing property value. When installed by experienced local professionals, your new doors will keep your home cooler, quieter, and more comfortable through every Arizona season. If your doors are showing signs of wear, now is the perfect time to invest in your home's comfort and future with a high-quality door replacement in Anthem.